Hello, everyone. Oh, hi. Yeah, hey guys, Roger here. Of course you know that. And something's wrong with my mouse cursor. Anyways, I got a new computer, and I decided to do some xhtml tutorials. So, let me tell you what you will need for this if you're interested in learning xhtml. If you are not, please leave this video. Nah, just keep learning, man. Keep learning. Alright, so first what you will need to do is you'll need to go to Notepad+. I'll leave a link to it in the description. You need to go to Notepad++, and I already have it open on the side. And you need to download the Notepad++ installer. Let me scroll over here. You need to download this Notepad++ installer. What this does is it's just an installer. So, yeah. Or you're gonna want to download it like this. It really doesn't matter, but I already have it downloaded, so it really doesn't matter for me. It's in version 6.2.1. Anyways, so what Notepad++ is, and let me resize my sorry. Let me resize that and move my screen recorder over here. Oops. Yeah, it's kind of like I just barely started recording with this computer. Anyways, so this is what it looks like. It looks kind of like your normal text editor, like for instance, Notepad. But nope, it's not Notepad, it's Notepad++. And what it has in it is you can choose your language. You can choose batch language, add assembly, C++, and these are all languages I'll eventually teach, and D, and F, and Flash action script. Anyways, guys, yeah, so you can basically code anything in it, but we're going to be doing HTML. So you're going to want to, if you want to, once you've downloaded this, you're going to go to save as, or new, and then call it index, because this is the basic for the server, .html. You don't have to call it index. I just recommend it. I mean, I'm kind of dumb. Just kidding. No. There you go, guys. Anyways, alright, so once you save that to wherever you want to save it to, I save it to my Notepad++ localization, wherever the hell that is. I think that's in my app data folder. All you have to do is, if you're running Windows 7, you type in run, or if you're on XP or anything earlier, you just click the run button and you type in %appdata%, and it brings up a screen like this. I will teach you how to do more stuff like that later. Anyways, it should be stored in wherever it's stored. You guys want to store it to your desktop or folder on your desktop. Anyways, so yeah, there you go. That is basically everything for this part. And now let's get started. Alright, so xhtml and CSS go together. CSS is xhtml is basically, it's a basic hypertext markup language, and hypertext markup language is just HTML. It's web design language, or whatever. I don't know. I'm not thinking way too well today. Anyways, so, oh, by the way, Notepad++ is only for Windows. Anyways, so HTML is the basic web design language, and when you use it, you can make a website, but you have to upload it on a server and all that complicated hoopajoob stuff that we don't need to get into right now. The only hoopla we need to do is make basic websites. Now, HTML has these things called tags, and basically you put them in between, let's just call them Pac-Man brackets, greater than, less than signs. And normally the first thing you type in those when you start your first website is HTML, and that basically tells it it's a hypertext markup language script or file. Now, see, it lights it up. That means you're in the right thing. And if you don't know how to do that, I think I just showed that earlier, but again, so I don't have to stress this one more time, choose HTML. Go to language, HTML. Alright, so now we have that established. We press enter twice, and we will want to close the HTML tag. And the reason we do this is because that tells it that the page has ended. So the way we do that is we do /HTML. and see, it tells it exactly. It tells it. See, these two go together. Now the second thing you want to put in your between your HTML tags is like the whole website will go between that. But before you do that, you'll want to type in a tag called whoa, not called whoa, it's called head. Now the head tag basically displays everything up here, and you can also do other stuff in it, which that's fancy smancy stuff, and we will talk about that later. What you do then, press enter twice. Well, you don't have to. And you type /head. Alright, sorry for the slow tutorials, but yeah. Now, your head tag is going to just be empty for now. And I'm just going to show you the other basic part for the template for your website. This will basically show you everything on the page. And what that does is you put greater than less than sign, or other way around maybe, I'm not sure. And then you type body. And the body tag just displays like everything that's around here, here. Sorry for moving around so much. Yeah, the body tag just displays the body of the website. And you also want to close that with a /body. Now guys, so yeah, there you go. That's your basic template for a website, and I will explain the head and more in the body in the next tutorial. So I'll see you guys then. My name has been Roger, and this has been xhtml, CSS, and stuff like that. Tutorial, episode 1. Shut your face. No, I'm just kidding. Anyways, guys, nice talking to y'all. We will get started in the next tutorial. Goodbye.